Okay. So you can see in the first half, in this chapter, you can see with the verb ending, there is three things written here, right? So hold on for a moment. Yes. With the verb ending, we can see in verb, it is written in this way, nian and un. Then nun. And the third ending, which is written over here, is real, right? How we use these things? Let's share the whiteboard first. Yeah. Can you see my whiteboard? Is it visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. All right. I'll be writing over here. The first thing we have is with the verbs, we always have three categories. Nun got gatha, un or niyan got gatha, and ul and real got gatha. Now, what is the difference between these two? I'll repeat. The first thing we have verb in the present tense. In the present tense, we don't need to check vowel or consonant ending. We'll directly add the nun ending. For example, Oda, Onun got gathayo. It seems it will come. That thing will come. So, Phiga Onun got gathayo. ऐसा लगता है बारिश हो रही है. It seems that it's raining outside. आपके भीगा उन्होंने गठायो. Maybe someone was walking or कुछ कर रहा है कोई and आपने देखा कि अम्ब्रेला कैरी कर रहे हैं लोग. तो you are guessing कि okay ऐसा लगता है बाहर बारिश हो रही है. Next half with the verb for the past tense. Present tense में we are using none. For past tense case in the verb we are using nian or un. It seems that rain हुई थी. So भीगा on got gathayo. On. In case of the next ending we have, in case of future, real or ul ending. So phiga ulga gath, ulgot gathayo. It seems that it will rain. I'll guess everyone.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
certainly.
Is it clear to all? अच्छे से clear हुआ है तीनों difference.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you all have to make three sentences, one from present, one from past, and one for future. Make and share with me. Then I'll explain you the adjective case. Then we will do our next case. Because that's how we'll practice. If we'll practice in this way now, you guys will get to know that what I'm writing, what I'm doing. There are three categories here. Okay? Like two categories. One with the verb and the second with the adjective. After this verb, we have adjective two cases, and I'll let you know after this. All right? Do and share with me. I'm waiting for you all. Then we'll begin for the next half. Yeah. So next with the adjective, in case of adjective, we have only three like two endings. Ungat Gatha and real Gatha. So Ungat Gatha we will use with the past tense. And real Gatha we will use with the future tense. I'll give you your one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
In present tense, let me help you. We have some words like chemi itta. Whenever we have any adjective which is itta words are there, opta words are there. Hold on for a moment. All right. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. So this itta, whenever we have chemitta, chemiopta, these words, all right? In that situation, we'll use none. This is an exception. In adjective case as well, we'll use none. Chemi innan gathayo. It seems that ये movie interesting है. It seems that that the movie will be, uninteresting. मुझे लगता है movie interesting नहीं होगी. So chemi omnan gathayo. All right. In that case, we'll use none. So इत्ता वाले जितने भी वर्ड्स है सबके साथ none ही लगेगा. Okay. प्रेजेंट में ये एक्सेप्शन है किसके केसेस में एडजेक्टिव और वर्ब दोनों के केसेस में अर्बन फॉर फ्यूचर टेंस यू कैन यूज छेमी सुल गॉट गत है देन उल शुड बी देयर बट ये अन वाला कोई केस नहीं है एडजेक्टिव के छेमी इत्ता इत्ता और अपता वाले वर्ड्स में नाउ लेट्स बिगिन थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है आप धीरे धीरे आप लोग इससे यूज टू हो जाओ ऑलराइट सो डोंट वरी बाय टाइम बीइंग यू विल गेट यूज्ड टू इट जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड वन कंसेप्ट ओनली कि यहाँ पर हमारा मेन क्या इशू है कि हम लोगों को वॉवल और कॉन्सोनेंट एंडिंग का ध्यान रखना है प्रेजेंट पास्ट टेंसेस का ध्यान रखना है ऑलराइट नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग द listening part we'll listen to it and then we will read it
(145쪽) 문법 2
1.
독일어 공부를 더 하려고요. 이 책은 어때요? 괜찮은 것 같아요? 그 책은 좀 쉬운 것 같아요. 유라 씨는 독일어를 잘하니까요.
2.
오늘 모임에 승윤 씨도 올까요? 승윤 씨는 요즘 바쁜 것 같아요. 전화도 잘 안 받아요. 아마 못 올 것 같아요.
3.
밖에 사람들이 우산을 쓰고 가네요. 비가 오는 것 같아요. 비가 더 많이 오기 전에 빨리 가요.
4.
길이 많이 막히네요. 사고가 난 것 같아요. 차가 안 가네요. 모임에 늦을 것 같아요.
yes okay I hope it is clear to all अब हम लोग रीडिंग करते हैं because my throat is not well today who wants to read voluntarily आप लोग एक एक conversation decide कर सकते हैं I want you guys to read today I'll translate yes
Ma'am, I can try.
okay yes please go ahead
독일어 공부를 더 하려고요. 이 책은 어때요? 괜찮은 것 같아요? Ma'am, I'll read the next part also.
yeah, like you can if anyone else wants then can go otherwise you can read
Okay, I'll read this conversation then.
yes please
그 책은 좀 쉬운 것 같아요. 유라 씨는 독일어를 잘하니까요. I'm done.
yes next who wants to read
Ma'am, can I? Priya Lakshmi?
yes
Yes. Okay. 오늘 모임에 순연 씨도 올까요? 순연 씨는 요즘 바쁜 것 같아요. 전화도 잘 안 받아요. 아마
전화를 안
안
받아요 not
받아요. Sorry, 받아요. 아마 못 올 것 같아요. Yes.
Yeah. All right. So let me begin with the first half. Here it is. 독일어로 공부를 더 하려고요. So जो कोरियन लैंग्वेज स्टडी है वो और करने आगे पढ़ने के लिए, लाइक सॉरी, थोगिलो इज जर्मन, सो जर्मन लैंग्वेज को वो आगे पढ़ने के लिए वो प्लान कर रही है. ओके, थॉ मीन्स मोर, सो शी इज प्लानिंग टू डू मोर जर्मन लैंग्वेज स्टडी. 이 책을 어때요? How about this book? 괜찮은 것 같아요. क्या ये ठीक लग रही है? Like, is it okay? Is it seems, or I think it's okay. So she's asking. 그 책은 좀 쉬운 것 같아요. कह रही है वो बुक थोड़ी easy है, ऐसा लगता है. 유라 씨는 독일어를 잘 하니까요. This book seems to be easy, so it will be good for you. Like you'll be able to do better in or good in German language. Yes. Second half. Second one है ओनल मोहिमे सुंgyun शी도 올까요? कि आज जो है सुंgyun शी भी आएंगे मीटिंग में. सुंgyun 씨는 요즘 바쁜 것 같아요. सुंgyun शी seems to be busy these days. 전화도 잘 안 받아요. They don't even receive the phone. 아마 못 올 것 같아요. I think he will not come. I think maybe he will not come. Okay?
मैम आमा का मीनिंग क्या था?
Maybe.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Yes. Okay. All right. Second, third or fourth conversation who will read?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
밖에 사람들이 우산을 쓰고 가네요. 비가 오는 것 같아요. 비가 더 많이 오기 전에 빨리 가요.
Yes. Next one. Next fourth one कौन read करेगा?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, please go ahead.
Kirimani manhaneo sagwanan kot.
ही नहीं उड़िया, फिर से read कीजिए.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yes.
Kirimani manhineo sagwanan kot kathayo chaga man khaneo muim. Ma'am, how do I read this?
Which one dear? नच्चन वाला आप पूछ रहे हो ना?
Nuchun. Yes, ma'am.
नचल का कथा है. रियल है. नचल का कथा है.
Nuchun kot kathayo.
Yes. Okay. So 밖에 사람들이 우산을 쓰고 가네요. So बाहर तो लोग umbrella use करते हुए जा रहे हैं. Outside the people are outside using the umbrella. So 비가 오는 것 같아. It seems it's raining. Okay, I think it's raining. Next, 비가 더 많이 오기 전에 빨리 가요. Before it will be like it will heavily rain. Let's go. Let's go fast. Third one, खीरी. Next है खिरीमानी माखी ने, fourth one. So खिरी माखी, that means traffic jam. All right. So it's traffic jam. Like mani माखी ने, it's a lots of like there's lots of traffic. सागोगा नानगो का था. It seems, और ऐसा लग रहा था, right? It seems that the accident will occur. Something, a sagoga is accident. Okay, or something will happen. कथाओं में छागा अन खाने हो. The cars are not moving. अन खाने हो means move ही नहीं कर रही थी, cars जा ही नहीं रही थी. मोह में नजल का था यो. कार तो नहीं जा रही है, तो it seems that I'll be late for the meeting. मोह im meeting.
Ma'am, in the Sagoga Nangot Kathayo means I think there has an accident has occurred, right?
Yeah, सागोगा
It's
नानगॉट का
past tense, right?
पास्ट टेंस है डियर. मतलब ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि ऐसा लग रहा था कि एक्सीडेंट ही हुआ था या हो जाना था, ऐसे करके बोलते हैं ना. ऐसा लगता है कि समथिंग अकर्ड, already occurred. So यही इसका मीनिंग है. नेक्स्ट है छागान खाने हो कि गाड़ियां जा ही नहीं रही है, तो मतलब समथिंग happened there. So sagoga means accident. Sagoga nada is something like an accident occurred. Okay. So sagoga nada is for occurring of accident. This is the vocabulary. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now you can see khada khangat katha mokta mongnan katha kumbu hada kumbu halga katha yepuda yepunga katha chotha cho ulga katha. Now you guys can see here, if the verb ending is there, then you have to use according to the verb. If consonant ending is there, then you have to use according to the consonant. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So do and share with me. I'm waiting for you all to do this question.